Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Eclipse build and a compatible JDK, and that your workspace points to the correct project folder. Once done, launch Eclipse and focus on the project you intend to run. Close others to avoid confusion. Next, open the Run menu and select Run Configurations. This is where you create or edit profiles. Make sure the correct project and main class are visible. If not, refresh the workspace so Eclipse detects recent changes. You now set the launch specifics. Create a new application configuration or a JUnit run configuration depending on your goal. Name it clearly. Then specify the main class, add program arguments for runtime behavior, and include VM arguments like memory flags. Also set the working directory if your app reads relative files. Once configured, inspect the class path tab, add external jars or projects, reorder entries so the correct library wins, and remove duplicates to prevent class loading issues. You apply your configuration and run it. Usapply then run so settings persist. Watch the console and problems view for errors, and switch to debug mode with breakpoints to inspect variables and call stacks. If the app fails to start, make sure the selected JRE matches your code's requirements and that the class path includes all dependencies. If problems persist, refresh the workspace, clean the project, and restart Eclipse. These simple steps often resolve stale builds and resource lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.